अवसर खुशी का आता है हर साल, रंग नए लाता है। तोहफे सारे लाऊं, इस पल को सजाऊं।
ऐ मालिक तेरे बंदे हम, ऐसे हो हमारे करम। नेकी पर चले और बदी से डरे, ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम। ऐ मालिक तेरे बंदे हम।
ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। नमस्कार। नए वर्ष का उगता सूरज सबके लिए सुनहरा पल हो, सदा समय साथ दे, कुछ ऐसी हलचल हो। सभी को नव वर्ष की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। बच्चों, पिछले वर्ष 2020 में कोरोना महामारी से हम सभी ग्रस्त हैं। इस महामारी में भी हमने शिक्षण कार्य को जारी रखा है। प्राचार्य महोदय के मार्गदर्शन और उनके दिशा निर्देशों में सभी शिक्षक और शिक्षिकाएं आप सभी बच्चों के उज्जवल भविष्य की कामना करते हैं। आपका जीवन सुखमय हो। तो बच्चों, इसी अवसर पर मैं आप लोगों के लिए एक छोटी सी गीत प्रस्तुत कर रही हूँ। सभी बच्चे इसे अपने जीवन में अमल करें। तो बच्चों, आइए। नए वर्ष पर नए गीत हम गाएं, नए वर्ष पर हम नए गीत गाएं, सरल सहज मन से सबको गले लगाएं, सहज सरल मन से सबको गले लगाएं। शिक्षा का उजियारा हम घर घर तक पहुँचाएं, शिक्षा का उजियारा हम घर घर तक पहुँचाएं, पर्यावरण की चिंता कर फिर पेड़ लगाएं, पर्यावरण की चिंता कर फिर पेड़ लगाएं। नए वर्ष पर हम नए गीत गाएं, सरल सहज मन से सबको गले लगाएं। स्वच्छता अभियान को समझे और समझाएं, स्वच्छता अभियान को समझे और समझाएं। योग प्राणायाम कर हम स्वस्थ बन जाएं, योग प्राणायाम कर हम स्वस्थ बन जाएं। कोरोना को दूर भगाएं, हम कोरोना को दूर भगाएं। नए वर्ष पर हम नए गीत गाएं, सहज सरल मन से सबको गले लगाएं। माता पिता गुरु को नमन करें, माता पिता और गुरु को नमन करें, माता पिता गुरु को नमन करें। शिक्षा पर हम अधिकार करें, शिक्षा पर हम अधिकार करें। नए वर्ष पर हम नए गीत गाएं, सरल सहज मन से हम सबको गले लगाएं। धन्यवाद। नमस्कार।
Hello everyone, I am Dhruv Kumar. I wish you a very happy and a prosperous new year. Today's thought of the day is, success will never lower its standard to accommodate us. We have to raise our standard to achieve it. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Ayush Patita from class 8. Today I am going to give you some amazing facts on the New Year Day. The first New Year was celebrated about 4,000 years ago. The Japanese ate the long noodles on the New Year Day in the belief that they would have a long life. Be sure to eat leafy green on the New Year Day. 1st January as New Year was never a standard practice. Roman instead celebrated it on the 1st March. Thank you.
everyone. First of all, wish you a very happy New Year. New Year is celebrated all over the world with great enthusiasm and fun. Earlier it was a Roman calendar which was having 10 months and designated 1st March as the New Year. In the Gregorian calendar, there are 12 months in every year and the New Year falls on January 1st, which is widely accepted and celebrated as the festival. It is a special day for the people as these days the beginning of New Year and they welcome the upcoming year in their ways. People start the preparation for New Year celebration many days earlier. People buy new clothes, gifts and many new things from the market. Shops are full of crowd these days. On midnight of 31st December and on 1st January, there is a celebration of New Year in India and all over the world. After the Christmas celebration, people wait for the 31st night, that is the day when we recall all good and bad memories of the whole year and say goodbye to the going year and welcome the new year. People celebrate this day with music and dance. Children are very happy about these as they get lots of gift and good food to enjoy the New Year party. Though different communities celebrate the New Year on different days according to their calendar, then also everyone celebrates the New Year on 1st January and this is a festival for all the community people. And people spread joy and happiness in nature. So with these, I conclude my speech and once again, I wish every one of you a very happy New Year and may God fulfill each and every wish of yours. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Sakshi Singh. I am from class 10th. A very happy and prosperous New Year to everyone. Today's word of the day is STAN, S-T-A-N. Its meaning is an extremely enthusiastic and devoted fan. It can be used in a sentence as I can never stop standing, Taylor Swift.
A very warm and pleasant good morning to Principal Ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. The world is waiting to embrace year 2021 with great enthusiasm. On this wintry morning, it gives me immense pleasure to be with you all on the first day of the most momentous year 2021. Please accept my heartiest greetings on this very first day of the new year. I wish that your new year is filled up with immense happiness and success. This year, 2021, is going to be the most momentous year because it is filled up with hope and fear. Hope of a definitive victory over corona pandemic and fear or aftermath and repercussions of corona pandemic. What is the most important lesson that we have learned through this corona pandemic? The most important lesson is that if the world is running, we have to run with the world. If the world is crawling, we have to learn to crawl with the world. Those who cannot do that will not survive. So, in short, learn to change. Whatever kind of change you are dealing with, know that you will learn to cope, that you have a unique opportunity to shape your future. Let's embrace ourselves for some significant changes this year.
महसूस हुआ है लाइफ की गाड़ी ने किसके मारा ब्रेक हो रहा है क्यों कंफ्यूज मेरे दिल मशवरा मेरा तू आजमा के देख यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक 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 बेटा तुझको अगर सर्दी लगे तो सीट पे पीछे लड़की बिना के देख यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक यही उम्र है कर ले
same time, same jagah, agle din